Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here at Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. Today is an exciting day for me. I am bringing in a new line of T-Mike parts. Believe it or not, I've linked up with a couple of engineers up in the Chicago area who are making parts for me. That's right, 3D printing parts. I've given them a list of about 40 parts that are hard to find on these motors that they could make, and they've already come up with the first one. It's a tiller grip handle, part number 204188, and here it is. That's right, 3D printed out of very sturdy plastic, and it's the same handle that goes on Steph's motor, 1971 9.5 horsepower 9122R model number. So I'm going to field test it on Steph's motor. I'm going to replace the old handle, which is not in real great shape, but it's the original one. I'm going to replace it with a brand new one, see if it fits and see if it operates good when I field test it on the test run. And if it does, I'm going to list them in my eBay parts, and we'll be rolling out all 40 of these hard to find parts that these guys are making for me. So everybody's ready. Here we go. Well, I went ahead and replaced the old handle, pretty beat up, with the brand new one, the T-Mike brand new one, and it fits just fine. All the spring and the innards slipped right in. Handle works great. Handle works fine. Looks good so far. I'm going to take her out on the water, and I'm sure it's going to work, but we will field trial every part before we let it go out to the public, so it can be qualified as a trusted T-Mike part. We're going to take her out for a field test tomorrow, see how she does. Well, I'm out here on the lake doing a test run on the T-Mike part handle, and it passes all the tests. I've run this motor for a half hour, operating the handle back and forth. The part is good. The part is passing the test. You can get them on eBay. It'll be listed on eBay soon. Thanks for watching. See y'all next video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please click on subscribe and tell all your friends about T-Mike's Vintage Outboards YouTube channel. Also, I have dozens of links below in the description. You can find my eBay store, all the parts I have in there. You can find my trusted T-Mike parts, where I make kits for fuel pump conversions, for your carburetors, for your magnetos and your gear cases. You also have a link for my mail-in repair service, how to send me your parts to repair and send them back to you. Also a link in there for technical consulting if you need some help with your vintage motors. So I love what I do. I love all the videos that you guys have requested for me to make. Keep the requests coming in, and I'll keep making the videos. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.